Hi guys. So I was going through an old box of tech in my house that we've had for ages, and I found this in it. It's just your book standard TV controller, and whenever you press a button, the light lights up here. But I thought, how much can this controller go through before the light stops working? This is going to be like a durability slash destroying video. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so we are now outside with the controller. See, the light still works. So let's just drop it from the top of this fence. Ooh, that was pretty harsh, but the light still works. There's a lot of scratches on it. Let's do it with a bit of force now. Oh, alright. As you can see, that light still works. There's a lot of scratches on it now. Alright. Now let's throw it against a little ledge here. Oh, it still works. I was expecting it to break after that. Some more scratches. Let's see. Let's have a little look at it. And it still lights up. As you can see, the inside is now opened up. This little bit of metal here, I have no idea what it is, but it just came out. Alright. Cool. You'll be able to see this, but on the inside, there's where the bar is that lights up. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm now going to just stamp on it a few times and see what happens. Right. Okay, so it closed up. And the light still works. That is insane. Alright, let's do some more throwing. If I just throw it really high up in the air and see what happens. Oof. There we go, it still lights up. Oh. It only lights up sometimes. Other times when I'll press it, it won't. Sometimes it will. That's pretty interesting. If this was your TV remote, you would be lucky because it's not going to break. Alright, now I'm going to put it back up against the ledge that I threw it against, and I'm going to stamp on it and see if it will snap in half. Okay, the back has come off. There's another little metal chip in it. Oh no! How? That still lights up. So this plate here has come off it. I don't think that's going back on in a long time. Alright, got that plate on. But the back is broken. There's no way that the back is going back on. The light still lights up though. That's it. If we just have a closer look at this, there's a little chip up there that the light goes on. If we peel this away for a second. Oh, where does the light? There. That's actually on the motherboard itself, next to the infrared light that will indicate your TV. But yeah. We have a pot of really murky water here, so I'm going to see how long it will last underwater. That's now fully submerged. Well, the top of it anyway. The light is still working underwater. Let's give it a little mix about. Oh no, the water's coming out. Ugh, it's gone a really weird colour. Ah! Right. It still works. It's a lot dimmer now. It's not as bright, but it. Oh, actually, no, same amount of brightness. Right, I'm gonna stamp on it a bit more now. Wow. I said it doesn't work anymore. I think it's finally had enough. So that was amazing. It survived getting thrown against things, being dipped in water, thrown up in the air, slammed on the ground. It survived a bit of stamping, but not all of it. It's gone through a lot. Well, I'm going to see if I can try and get it working again, so see you in a few minutes. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting that to work. I've just spent like 10 minutes trying to work on it, but nothing. One thing I didn't consider was the batteries that are in here. But nothing really bad happened to the batteries. No water managed to get into the batteries. Let's see how waterproof this is. So the battery is in that bottom compartment. This takes 2 AA batteries, or AAA batteries actually. Alright. Let's see if any water got into the batteries. That's really stiff, I can't get that to open. Hold on. Okay, I got it open. And no water got in. So it's very waterproof. Let's take out these batteries. And let's carry on with the smashing after the batteries. Let's try and bend it. Oh, that was quick. It's not as durable as I thought it would be. Ah, look at that, absolutely destroyed. You can use it as like nunchucks. Jeez. Well, that is the remote done. Let's just stamp on it a bit more. How am I going to do this? Right. Wow. This is fully destroyed now. Well, yeah. Absolutely destroyed. There's no way I'm getting that to work now. The controller is asking me why I did it. Well, where did that even go? Didn't even see where that went. Well, whatever. Oh, here it is. There's actually yeah, there's a bit of plastic in the middle there. Well, yeah. Thanks for watching. I am probably going to do this series a bit now with bits of old tech, and I'm going to call it Hammer Time. Even though I didn't use a hammer, but I will use a hammer on the other videos. But yeah, that was Hammer Time. Thank you so much for watching, and also please subscribe. Right, see you guys later.